Today we're going to work on this 2010 Mini Cooper. It's not an S, it's just a base model. Came in with a crank no start, which, long story short, it was flooded with fuel due to bad spark plugs and a bad ignition coil. So we're going to change spark plugs, all 4 ignition coils, and it has massive oil leaks. It's going to be the valve cover gasket, the vacuum pump, and the oil filter housing. So that's what we're going to tackle today. Looks like they never changed the oil in it. I mean, I'll show you once the valve cover is out, but I started using the BG products, the performance kit. Used the EPR last night to loosen all that buildup and see. It's bad in there. It's bad. A simple oil change can ruin your engine. This thing stinks. As you can see, look how bad it's in here because they lacked on oil changes. And this gasket is like rock hard. Man, that freaking thing stinks. I don't know how long this timing chain is gonna last. But as of right now, the car runs really smooth. So now I'm gonna pull the headlights out, front grille, bumper. I mean, the whole radiator support has to come out, so we can do the oil filter housing. Because I thought about doing it like this in the car, but it will take way longer than doing it the right way. So yeah, we'll take it off. And all these broken wires. I guess all we have to focus on fixing the oil leaks, make sure it runs good. That's about it. Now we just need to recover the Freon because the condenser comes out with it, and then drain the radiator, and that's it. Pull the whole clip out. Yeah, it usually takes about like 20 minutes to recover and do all the processing, but had no Freon in it. Nice. So we're going to remove the catalytic converter because there is a shield that goes behind the oil filter housing. Let's pull that out and then give it a nice thorough clean. All of this is just because of the gasket, the tiny gasket behind the housing. Who knows? While there is two pieces, so. Look at the carbon buildup. So this one must have been burning oil and must have been used cheap fuel. Wow. So, I mean, this one it's super nasty. Usually I don't use a brush on it, but I have to like scrub them and spray brake cleaner at the same time, because that's how you're gonna tell you did a good job, when everything is clean. You might want to hide the camera because I'm gonna use air. So there's shit gonna fly everywhere. Like everywhere. So I would hide it. Can't believe all the carbon buildup in there. And there you have it. So everything is nice and clean. Make sure to put silicone on the corners, otherwise it's gonna leak. And new gasket is in. Nice and easy. Easy always does it. There you go. Just like that. Okay. Valve cover is done. We're gonna change the spark plugs real quick. I'm gonna put the brand new vacuum pump, brand new thermostat, drain the oil, put fresh oil in it, put everything back together, and call the customer, let them know it's ready. It's already running really smooth by changing one coil and adding the BG stuff to it. That helps a lot. So I'm more than confident that this car, it's gonna run for a good while. So it's not much of a video, but it's something, you know. This is everyday stuff. Again, this is not how-to video. It's just showing you how I work. So thank you for watching.